IT manages data and secures all technology assets. IT infrastructure services are crucial for small and medium-sized businesses, especially when they can't budget for in-house IT department service. Outsourcing provides top-tier knowledge and experience that caters to your company's needs. It's also financially workable. Keep watching for 8 examples of IT infrastructure services. Application Management IT Infrastructure Services. IT infrastructure outsourcing fits with companies that rely on many applications. Technicians come with extensive software training, which saves your company money. Communication services. Keeping your teams connected to customers relies on practical communication tools. If your company becomes paralyzed, emails, phones, voice messaging, and conferencing systems fail. Outsourcing IT infrastructure services ensures a dedicated team uses proactive measures to prevent such failures. If something does happen beyond their control, your downtime is minimal. Content and media. Protecting your company's assets includes online content and digital media. IT outsourcing services of cloud-based storage to ensure secure 24/7 access to documents, images, and files. Your services should also extend to data on company websites and intranets. Data security. Data breaches can cost a company millions of dollars. Choosing the right IT infrastructure outsourcing company is essential to data security. Whether using the company's cloud-based servers or in-house servers, ensure the outsourcing company follows data protection and privacy laws. Maintenance updates. When it comes to systems performing at the highest level, outsourcing IT infrastructure includes guarantees that system updates occur on your schedule. Plus, you'll receive timely reports of results or other information. Mobile connectivity. Global corporations rely on mobile connectivity. IT infrastructure outsourcing in Media PA and surrounding areas make sure your employees connect to secure servers. They also manage the virtual private networks, VPN, assigned to your remote employees. Network utilization. Too many users at once can slow down systems and make some applications inaccessible. The outsourcing firm can manage usage during your peak hours. User devices. There was a point when IT firms focused on in-house devices and equipment. Remote work has changed a lot over the past few years. Asset management is part of outsourcing IT services. It includes tracking laptops, printers, and mobile devices. The change is due to the number of remote workers skyrocketing. Your company is only as strong as its IT infrastructure. Outsourcing IT infrastructure services gives an added level of security, and your data and technology assets stay protected. Are you looking for IT infrastructure outsourcing in Wayne, PA or Kennett Square, PA? Contact Pegasus Technologies today for more information on our managed IT services. Pegasus Technologies is the IT team for organizations that don't need a full-time IT department. Our technology experts build you a technology plan to keep your business running at its best. We have offices in Kennett Square, PA, Media PA, and Wayne, PA to provide better computer support and IT services to you. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.